Okay, so here's another RFP that came out that same day, October the 5th. It's open, it's due October 18th. And these it's for crane inspection, maintenance, and repairs. And I'm just scrolling through the RFP a little bit. All of this is at the Newport News procurement. You can see the website at the top to check it out. It tells you everything you need. You do the vendor questionnaire normally first because they want, all the information as soon as possible. And make sure you read it and go through everything. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions, what is needed of the job. You want to make sure you have your insurance requirements set up in order to bid. And if you have any type of subcontractor on board, make sure they have everything that's needed to complete the work. So again, as you can see, these are some of the liabilities and things, and this is the type of work that's needed right there. They have the addresses listed out, the description of everything that needs to be done. So again, that's another RFP, fresh off the press, came out yesterday.